structure, get 12 pieces of each 1 meter long bamboo sticks and prepare 4 triangles from them as well. From the prepared triangles, get 2 and combine them together to form a star-shaped structure. Now keep the prepared 2 star-shaped structure on each other and tie them from their vertices as shown. Then get 6 pieces of 30 cm long bamboo sticks and tie them from their vertices as shown. Then get 6 pieces of 1 meter long bamboo sticks, keep them parallel to the structure made of 30 cm sticks and tie as shown. When tying them, keep an elongated length of around the bottom three. Now cut the upper selection into 4 separate parts as shown. The sticks at the center must be in contact with the sticks at center on the next part, and further stick on either side must touch the sticks on the either side of next part so as they touch each other externally as shown. It is a bit complicated, but look at the video for easy. Now the structure is almost finished. Paste the side of the structure with colorful paper to make the lantern completed. Now you can see the completed Lotus Lantern. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Waturak se met somi